guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much add apps to your server on Discord by using their app directory feature. So select the server here, make sure you're an admin or you own the server. Select app directory and select the app you want to add. You also have like these options to kind of like narrow them down. I'm just going to view the Pixart app and I'm going to select add to server. You can cartoonify pictures, set up a challenge, make stickers, and create an IA generated image. And you also have like the style transfer, and I'm going to select add to server and select the server you want to add the app to and press continue and select authorize. Select I am human, and when you close this you'll have the app here, so you can just use the commands if you want to. I'm just going to type in create. I'll just do it here. Oops. Create and select a prompt to generate cute ducks. Press I accept also. And it's going to generate the image that you like typed down, I think. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!